Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be sharing some amazing wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And of course I'm talking about wallpapers just like the one you're looking at right now. So let's dive in and get started right away. So to download these wallpapers, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you are going to be at my website. Once you're at the website, you want to scroll down just a little bit. And you can see they're listed right here. We got number 1, number 2, number 3, so on and so forth. So let's start with wallpaper number 1. Let's click the link. Now when you click that link, it's going to take you to the Galaxy Store from where you can download these gorgeous wallpapers. And also do not forget to check out the second link down below that is going to allow you to reserve the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and just for doing so, get a $50 Samsung credit. So anyway, let's start with number 1. Tap on apply, download, and then apply. Let's see what this one looks like on the lock screen. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Very nice, clean, high definition. All right? Beautiful. So that is number 1. Let's go to number 2. I'm going to scroll down. And this one is known as the Light Speed Wallpaper. Click the link and then again download and then click apply. Let's see what this one looks like in the lock screen. Another gorgeous wallpaper, as you can see. Beautiful effect right on your lock screen. Alright, now let's go back inside and go to number 3. That's the electric circuit. Now this is the one you saw in the very beginning of the video. Beautiful wallpaper, probably one of my favorites in this video right here. So let's take a look at it. Again, look at that beautiful wallpaper. We have some pulse over here and electrical signals going all over the place. All right. Next one is a wallpaper I might have shared before, but if you have not seen it, you're going to love it. So click the link, golden lion, tap on apply. Let's see what this one looks like on the lock screen. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at it. Fantastic. All right, so that's that. Let's go back down. The last wallpaper, simple back. Tap on the link. All right, this one is also very, very cool. Let's see what it looks like on the lock screen. Look at that. Beautiful design. Nice colors, high definition, fantastic. All right, so that's it. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.